Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and it's me, Witch Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And this video is about Flybus, and for those people who do not know Flybus, basically Flybus is like a transportation company. Let's say you dropped into a country, let's say for example you dropped into India, and if you guys have made a reservation with Flybus, then basically it would come to airport to pick you up, or like if you guys have booked someplace, then you guys can travel to that place. Basically it arranges buses for you. Alright, so let me just tell you guys how you guys can log in into this Flybus account if you guys already have an account. And if you guys need to know more about it, you can always visit its website for more information. Let's get right into the video, which is on how you guys can log in into Flybus. Now before starting the video, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys, and let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine, you want to search for Flybus login. After you search for Flybus login, you want to click on where it says sign in Flybus. After you click on it, it's going to take you to Flybus's official website where you guys can sign in for it. Alright, now basically wait for some time until it, sign in page comes up. And once the sign in page comes up like this, you just want to enter your membership number or your email, whichever thing you used when you created Flybus account over here. After that, you want to enter your password over here. After entering that, you want to click on sign in. And if your information you typed over here is correct, then basically you should be signed in into your Flybus account. Now let's say you forgot your password. There's this forgot password button. You can click on it to recover your Flybus account as well. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys have not yet joined Flybus, you can click on join today to sign up for Flybus as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Flybus. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Witchy Kevin, and I'm signing out. Stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future video. Bye bye and have a nice day everyone.